Hello everybody, welcome back to my trade setups for the week. Today we're going to be working on trend and setting up trades. So without further ado, there we go. So this is going to be high on the curve, so we're not going to take any longs. We're going to let price turn around here or continue higher, whatever happens. Okay, it's kind of messy looking because we have this candle made the new high, so it's going to kind of look like that. So there we go. That's the euro dollar. Here's the pound. Make it smaller. There we go. That's the kiddo coughing up in the background. I think she's sick, but you know what? She'll be all right. Human body was meant to deal with things, so she'll be okay. All right, so we can't take a buy until the price closes above here, because it'll be a downtrend otherwise. So we can't take anything. Otherwise, we can start looking. Once it closes above there, we'll look there. We'll look below here and below here once it closes above. This is a little later today. I wanted the markets to calm down. The spreads at like market open, and I think 3 or 4 o'clock, whatever the closing time here is in Wisconsin, the spreads get a little out of control. So just want them to settle down and give it an hour or two. We should be good to go. I think they do the Sunday XLTs for Forex today too. I didn't watch it. I've been watching XLT since like Kuwait, I think, or Afghanistan, one of the two. A long time ago. It seems like a few months. I still do watch them from time to time, you know, just to see if there's any like good ideas out there. So here we can look for something. It is not high on the curve yet. We got that. So see what I mean? Bam. You just click on the stick, or don't click on the circle, but the actual line itself, it should adjust itself on the chart, or on all the charts. So let's check this out. These boxes sometimes don't stick where I want them to either, which is really annoying. But that's fine. So we do got this as an opportunity. I am going to let this one come down though before I go ahead and take it. The way I just kind of remember that is I just leave the stop and the entry and what was stop in the zone. That's only a 5-point thing. So I have to extend that to 10 points. 8 points is fine right now. 17. So this might be a no-go depending. 8 points on the Aussie should be fine though. I like to do at least 7.5. 10 is ideal. If I can't get 10, I'll still do 7.5 at a minimum. So it'll be like double the spread and the width of the zone-ish. So that's what we're looking at on the Aussie. It comes back down. New Zealand dollar probably looks pretty similar, except it's already there. Who is it? Come in, Addie. She's playing under the table, knocking on the door, or pretending she's knocking on the door. Alright, there we go. So we got to wait for this New Zealand dollar to turn around. It's so hard to take trades on the New Zealand dollar for me. As well, I'm trading these time frames just because the zones are always so little. Okay. 156. It's higher than one. Oh, that's 156. That's 156. So that's those are even. So this is just one big down move here. Hopefully I'm not talking too quietly. You can hear me. There we go. Now, although we do have the downtrend, nothing is on limits here. Nothing, I can't take it. I gotta let it turn around or bust through that before I can look into anything. Trading this way will take away a lot of the trade opportunities that you find, but the ones you do find will be good. I think that's the most important thing. It's quality over quantity in the world of trading. At least I think so. I'm just going to put this in here. I want this for fun. Let's see what the high of this one is 98.14. 98, so it's barely closed above, but it is in supply, so it doesn't really matter. Instead of wait for it to collapse there, but what we can do is look for something right, well, depending on when this candle closes, because that'll be another down move, but we could look for something up in there. Looks like we've got this little area. That area and that area. So it's a level on level. Let's see. Yeah, I would probably just take this as one trade if we were going to take it. But the only thing is like this is where it closed here. This closed this candle closed above this candle. So that would kind of take away from the profit margin, which kind of sucks. So we might just take the top one. We can get a little. No, we probably couldn't even take the top one. All right, moving on. This next dollar yen. Yeah, let's get the trees this week. So there we go. Just one big down move here. Up move. And a down move. Looks like it starts from up there. Red. There we go. I'm just going to take a closer look here, see if there's any closes below in here. Or yeah, so we got this actually. So that's a close above this. So that would be our red. Damn it. So not really a trend. See nothing closing below here yet, so you can't really take anything. We could maybe look in here to take something to the long side. As you can see, we've got this. Could take that. It already touched though. Maybe almost got to the profit target. Depending on where we put it, we could have taken that. I'm going to leave this one alone though, because it is trading in the middle of the curve. It hasn't cleared like this stuff yet, which is, so it's, I don't know. This is like really the important stuff here, but we'll see. We'll see just what it does. It might work, it might not. Going to Euro yen. Oh, that had a nice healthy drop. Huh? So we can't buy this even though it's an uptrend because it's high on the curve. So we gotta wait for it to turn around. Did it touch though? Just came right down to the breakout. If you would have taken that, you would have gotten lucky. I mean, it's against my rules, but that'd have been a nice little trade. A really good one, actually. That's probably the spread though. It happened at 4 o'clock. Yeah, I had it at 4 o'clock, so it's probably the spread that caused that. Markets act really weird at the opens. Pound yen, check that out. So we do kind of have an uptrend here. Red, red, green. Drop a line in here. Right. Let's see what we got. Looks like we got 2 little areas. That and that. Plenty of profit margin. That would be it. Let's put it like say there. Green, green. Red, red. But yeah, we can take both of these. My stop on here is going to be a little funky. Although, maybe we should just take it as a level on level then. 47 to 80. Oh, there's more. So I'm going to take this as a level on level trade. Level on level on level. My stop's going to go below this little area here. And then just this kind of reminder for myself, make this a big little box. The reason I'm doing this is because, like, if I count this candle, because this is actually still part of the base, this came into it. So actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to delete that top zone, and I'm going to use the bottom zone where it touched there. Let's see, make sure this still gives us our reward risk 42 to 93. Bring that down a little bit as I can. 42, 91. We'll call that good. So we're going to go ahead and try to buy the pound yen here. 400. Oops. That's a 5. Alright, let's see what we get. There we go, 25,800. So what would this be? 23 and 28. So 23,000. I'll take my picture first. We got the uptrend, we got the zone below there, and we're low on the curve. What the settings? Wanted that. Here we go. All right. There we go. Right. Go into the trade log here. Oops, 142.4, 141.975, 143.316, 144.135. Status pending. Type standard long. There we go. All right, and that's how we set that up. Time for the Aussie yen. 690. It's higher than 640. Okay. There we go. What's up, Eddie? Alright, there we go. So clearly uptrend. I did it to here because that was the highest point. It looks like actually. Maybe I should go to there. It'll get all of it in there a little better. See that line's there because I forgot to do it on the daily chart. Click on the side. Click on the line itself like this. Probably a really good 4-hour zone there. Let's see here. This is basically all used up. It's barely touched. I think I'm gonna leave this one alone. Just what the? I think I'm gonna. Oh, I hit the end button by accident instead of delete. But I think I'm just gonna leave this one alone. Just because it's so like messy. I'm gonna move on to the next one. Alright, CAD yen on the curve in higher time frame supply. Very nice, very nice. Wise man of Borat. Very nice. I don't know if you guys ever seen it. It's a pretty funny movie, I think. I don't know. Watched it in Afghanistan with my buddy, and it became our reference movie that we made references to all the time. So we're going to wait for this one to turn around. EURCAD. Looks like it has a solid breakout here. 45.90 is higher than that. So. But we didn't have a down move, really. So, oh, yep, right here it is. Okay. Okay, cool. You alright over there, Sneezy? Just to make it look nice, I'll do that. And this. Right? Am I doing this right? Yeah, because this was higher than that. So, there we go. So, pink line there. See if we can find something below the halfway point on that. Looks like we got this. Then we've got this. There we got two. Profit target's gonna be up here. Something like that. For this stop, I'm gonna try to put it below this candle though. That's what I'm gonna do with that. Because this would, well, yeah. Wait, what's the first one there? We got 10 to 37. I'm gonna call that good. It's a good setup. So almost 4 to 1. Make sure I get this stop set properly. So 7.5. We'll go 10, 4, 5, 4, 1. There we go. So that's our trade. We're going to set this up as well. And just make sure, so we've got the whole range of this is 82 points. Halfway up will be 41. So yeah, we're well below half of the entire move. So that is safe to trade. I'm going to go ahead and take it. So 108 and 11. Little one's obsessed. Little one's obsessed with Little Mermaid right now. She's watching Ariel's Beginning or something like that. As you probably see in the background when she's working in the kitchen. Alright, here we go. Let's have the second one. Now, I do keep these profit targets the same at first, but as price and stuff comes into it, I move it and I manage it accordingly. So this will be 117 and 13.9. The reason I take full lots on these is because I treat them as separate trades. So some people like to do half and half. I like to just do it like the whole thing. Because if one fails, the other one will work. And the other one works, the profit's already made up. Is it 113,900? And there we go. We'll take our picture here. I wish I could share both of my things here. That would be nice. But I can't. Who's that? Daddy, go look down the stairs. I think Mommy just got home. Alright, so here we go. Addie was at her dad's house for the last week.
Oh, now I had to stay at Daddy's. She got you by herself with you? Yeah. Oh, well, that's nice.
She's got bruises on her legs. Apparently she could tumble down the stairs.
Did you fall down the stairs? Did it hurt?
Apparently she took a tumble down a step. So that is, what is it, the EURCAD setup? Yeah, there we go. EURCAD. Done. Now it's here in New Zealand.
Oh, today? I love you too.
No, yeah, we gotta get the close up right there.
Yeah, you wearing different clothes? Oh.
No closed mouth, so we can't take that. It's low on the curve, so we're just going to wait for it to turn around, give it some upward strength,
What did you get for Christmas?
and just leave it alone for now. Check out the Euro Aussie, the Aussie.
you got a new one? Oh, okay. Oh.
That would be my jacket. That would be so okay. That's okay. That's so funny. That's so funny.
You're good.
Same thing in the Euro Aussie, it looks like. Just wait for it to show some strength. I'm not going to try to buy it now. There's no clothes above here yet. Oh, looks like I skipped the Euro Aussie. So Euro New Zealand, Euro Aussie looking pretty similar. Ooh,
Okay.
might have some opportunity here on this great pair to trade. The Euro Pound, everybody's favorite. There's a fork in the microwave, so don't just turn it on. You took the fork out, right?
I did.
Okay.
I love you. I love you. I miss you. I'm so beautiful. Oh, you're sweet.
So this one, same kind of thing as the other one we're looking at. We got the pretty good base, but there we go. We got that right here. This candle closed above, so that takes away all the profit targets.
Daddy else is here?
So we'll just have to wait for the next one. It does look like we have the next one here already. Well, at least waiting.
I am happy. Yep. Can I sit down?
All right.
Are you going to sit next to me? What are we watching? Oh, I do like Ariel.
Sometimes. All right. So we almost got kind of the uptrend started. High on this one. She did. She was eating it. So this is $8.99. This close is $8.99. So it's the same. So it didn't close above. So not really worth looking for long until it happens. We can't draw it down here because these candles didn't close lower than the low of the previous candles. So they're the bodies are inside the ranges. So we can't even make it down. Turn. Alex definitely does not like spiders. Here we go. How's that, babe? You like it?
It is. I like this one.
Very good. Made bacon macaroni, like cheeseburger stuff the other day, and she doesn't like bacon, and I forgot about it. So nothing on that previous pair there. Here we go. So we got a pound Aussie. We got a little uptrend going. So we could take this. Problem.
Are you going to go to me?
Could take that. The problem is this has been like halfway through the zone. So that's no bueno.
Are you tired?
It's like a woulda, coulda, shoulda zone, you know?
You don't have to take it.
So I'm gonna make these purple. Just gonna see what happens. If this would have came down not so far, like say halfway or less, then I'd take it, but that's kind of like a rule on that. If it comes halfway, don't take it. So, probably a pretty good trade though. Maybe, we'll see. Not for me. EURCAD.
Now can you say Happy New Year? Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Yep. Happy New Year.
Picture I talked.
I love you.
That you'll ever show. She's good. She's cute, good.
You're so.
All right. Let's see what we have for opportunities here. Same kind of setup. picture of this candle though. 19.2.
You fell on the stairs? Oh, at Daddy's house?
10.7. So this is in a zone really. No, there's no base.
Of you.
If you're less specific like me, and you want to just eyeball it, that's fine. It probably isn't a horrible move, but it's part of my rules to be that way. So oops,
What else did
I'm
you
not
get
going to
for
take it.
Christmas?
I'm really tired today, so I apologize for that. I don't know why.
Who did you see? Did you see Robin?
Oh, here we go.
No?
Looks like we do have a
What about
tradable
you?
thing here. Here we go. Yeah, but it's got this curve down, kills it.
That was a while ago.
So the top mark is right there. So let's make it purple. So I know I've already looked at it. So yeah, that's basically what we got. We got the £1 yen trade and the 2 EURCAD. So we'll see how they work. I'll leave this up for a second. So you guys, if you want to copy those down, feel free. But yeah, that's it for the day. I'm gonna post this in a minute. Hopefully the weekend was good for everybody, and let's make some money this week, huh? All right, bye.